Hey, what's up, PC enthusiasts? So today I'm going to show you how to delete the Windows.old folder. Now we both know that it takes up so much space. So today I'm just going to help you get rid of it. If you don't know about it, this is the folder right here. What I know is that I don't have space right now. If I check, I'm only left with like 15 gigs on my local disk. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that folder takes up about more than 30 gigs of space. The Windows.old, it happens when you update your Windows, or maybe you move from Windows 10 to 11. That folder stays in your desktop. Now I have reasons why I did not delete mine. It's because after installing Windows 11, I did not go about reinstalling the softwares that I had. Most of the softwares that I had from Windows 10 are still in my Windows.old folder and some files. So what I did is that I execute my files from this folder without reinstalling every app. The Windows.old file cannot be deleted straight up. For instance, you cannot just highlight it and delete it like this. Shit, I have to go a long way around. You can't do this. Okay, I don't want to delete because I have my stuff in there. But you cannot do this, and I'm pretty sure you tried it and it did not work. Some files will not delete. That's the right way of doing it, actually. So we're gonna do that right now, which you're gonna click on Windows, search disk, cleanup. Okay, once this window opens, you're gonna select the C drive because that's where it is, or if it's on a different drive, you select a different drive. And for Windows 10 users, this is what you're gonna do. You go to this PC, you click on local disk, and then I think you should see disk cleanup. If you don't see it, you go into properties, and it should be here. Okay, for Windows 10 users. For us Windows 11 users, we don't have it. We have to search it straight from the Windows. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we're gonna have files that are removable, just like some temporary files. You can delete all of those, but for me, I don't have much. It's only about 40 MB. So we're gonna go into cleanup system files, and we're gonna select the C drive. Remember, you select the drive where you see the Windows.old file. Okay, so for me, it's the C drive. I'm gonna click OK, and it's gonna load up. This takes a lot of time. I'm not gonna lie, it took me some time for me to go past this stage because I have about more than 30 gigs, so it takes time. Don't rush it, don't cancel, just wait for it to finish and then you'll be good. Okay, so we're almost there, and now it's scanning the Windows Update cleanup. So now that it's done, we're gonna check on the Windows files that we have on here. So I have Windows Update Cleanup, which is 274 MB. I have Windows Defender Antivirus. I can delete that. Like everything that's here you can delete because it's like not really useful. Okay, but some you can keep because they can be personal files. Now I want to go down to the Windows, to the old Windows file. So it's written previous Windows installations, and mine is 50 gigs of storage space. I don't know, what did I just say, storage? Okay, whatever. So like it's 50 gigs, and if I delete this, I have so much space to do whatever I want. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna select that the previous Windows installation, and then you're gonna click OK and go ahead with the prompts that follow. So I don't know how to explain this one to you guys. Maybe there's a simpler way of doing it. All right, so these are all the apps that I had before. These are all the apps that I had before that aren't removed. Here's my exe file. If I don't want to delete these things that are in here, I can just take this and make it a shortcut on my desktop, and it'll still launch from the Windows.old files. All right, now that that's out of the way, I'm not gonna do it. Like I said, I need this file. I have things that I'm launching from there. Everything that's on my desktop right now, I did not install it. It's still in my Windows.old folder. I hope you understand. Okay, I just took some there and then put it on my desktop. So that's how I'm able to actually like save up, and I don't have them all like running at all times because they're not really in my Windows, in my C drive. Like they're not embedded in my C drive whereby they can tell that, oh, I'm a program, I gotta run all the time. No, the ones that I have, they're in the Windows old and they only run when I let them run. If I don't open an app, it does not run on its own. And that's why okay, that's what I like about the Windows old folder. Okay, so don't judge, but if you want to remove it, that's on you. And it's not a bad thing, it just saves up space because it's a useless file. Sometimes it's just Windows files that can take up about 12 gigs of space. So if you enjoyed what I showed you today and it was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe. I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.